Hey everyone, this is Melissa from CNA Queen. So I just wanted to come on here and talk about so I'm in my hotel room. So I just wanted to come on here real quick and talk about how to make $3,000 a week as a travel CNA. It's really easy. One way you can do it by getting a contract, and say you make about maybe 1,500 a week or whatever. You can go and do doubles. I would recommend only just working maybe 5 doubles, or at least 4. You could do 3. 3 doubles will get you whatever they have the overtime rate for. Try to get contracts that's paying more than like $27 or $28 an hour. There's plenty of contracts that's paying 30 and 30 plus, like maybe $35 an hour, $40 an hour. You just have to get with the travel agencies and talk to the recruiter and try to negotiate your pay. Especially even when you see the travel package, what is called pay package. When you see that and see all the detail, you can contact your recruiter and try to discuss making more money per hour, and just really adjust some things around. What else? And then the next way you can do it is by working your contract, not working doubles, but instead of working doubles at the facility, you download this app called Shift Key, or you could download Shift Med, or there's a video on my channel with the different agencies, and it also has the apps that you can use to make extra money. These apps are called like per diem. So like when you work a shift, you'll either get paid the same day or the next day. Either it'll be deposited in your bank account or on a pay card. So you could do that way, especially if you need money right away and you don't want to wait for your weekly paycheck that you're getting from your contract. You could do that. Or you can maybe still do maybe like 3 doubles from your contract and work the rest of days, or on your off days, if you don't have anything else planned, just go ahead and on your off days work from the app Shift Key or Shift Med, and pick up hours from other facilities and get paid. And you can make $3,000 a week. You can make $4,000 a week. You can sometimes make I could say probably like $4,500 a week. And it's very possible. You just have to put in that time and effort. And the thing about this type of job, it won't feel like work if you love what you do. Now, if you don't love what you do and you be like, oh, I have to get up and go to this job, then maybe this job is not for you. But it does take a lot of work and dedication. Just try to make your life easier and work smarter and not harder. Okay? Love you guys. Remember, love yourself first. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section down below. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, and give me a thumbs up. All right? Bye. Love you.